Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. If you did, I'm assuming you're having trouble with your Honda EU3000is generator. We did. I figured it out, and that's why I'm putting this video out. I'll try to keep it quick, so here we go. It ended up being a spark plug problem. So, what we found out was this generator comes stock with not as hot a plug as you can run in it, and I learned all this as I went. So, the plug that it came with was a DENSO W20EPR-U. Now, everybody's going to use a different brand of spark plug, and I use NKG on most of our stuff. So that cross-referenced over to a BPR-6ES. So the stock plug that came with this cross-referenced over again to a BPR-6ES. Now, we decided to go with a little bit hotter plug, and that would be the BPR-5ES. So the only difference in there is that 6 or the 5. That's the heat of the plug. Now, since we've switched it over to that hotter plug, the BPR-5ES, this thing has run like a champ. Now, a little disclaimer, we are in Alaska. We have been running it in the middle of winter. It's cold. We do not have a cold weather package on this. It's a little like $100 deal that you hook up, and it's a heating element that runs through and keeps things from icing up. I'm thinking about doing that, but I haven't had to yet. We switched that plug and everything's been running great. Now, if you're in a warmer climate, maybe you're not going to have issues at all. Maybe the reason it's running crappy is something totally different. But for northern climates, cold weather running, we found going with the hotter plug worked a lot better. So to change that plug, you're going to want to open this little door here. You remove this little plastic shroud with one screw down here, and you'll see the spark plug wire and the spark plug in there. And there's just one, so you can go ahead and take it out and change it. And hopefully that gets you guys back in business. It worked for us. I'm hoping it works for you. Thanks so much, guys, for clicking on this video. I hope it helped. Leave your comments below. Ask some questions. Maybe we can compare notes. So hit that like button. Hit subscribe if you're not already for more great videos like this. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bramante Brothers.